Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mix on YouTube. First, you will need to select your audio tracks carefully, aiming for a consistent theme or genre. Ensure all your chosen songs are high-quality audio files, ideally in WAV or FLAC format, to maintain excellent sound. Next, plan the order of your tracks and consider how they will transition smoothly from one to the next, creating a cohesive listening journey for your audience. Now let's prepare your audio. Utilize audio editing software, such as Audacity or Adobe Audition, to normalize the volume across all your tracks. This prevents jarring changes in loudness for listeners. Carefully craft smooth transitions between each song, perhaps using crossfades of 2 to 5 seconds. Once perfected, export your entire audio mix as one continuous, high-quality file, preferably a 320 kilobits per second MP3 or a WAV file. With your audio ready, it's time to add visuals. You can select a single captivating image, create a simple slideshow, or even use dynamic visualizers. Employ video editing software like DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut to combine your prepared audio file with your chosen visuals. Make sure the video's total duration precisely matches the length of your audio mix, ensuring a complete and synchronized presentation for your viewers. Finally, upload your polished video mix to YouTube. Craft a compelling title that accurately describes your mix, perhaps including the genre or mood. Write a detailed description, adding a track list and any relevant credits. Crucially, include a variety of relevant tags to help people discover your content. Optimizing these elements will significantly boost your video's visibility and attract a wider audience to enjoy your carefully curated mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.